Hello and welcome to this Forex trading course. My name is Chris Capri. I am the founder and head trader of SecondSkiesForex.com. I've been trading for 19 years now. I was a Forex broker on Wall Street. I've traded for the hedge fund. And for the last 12 years at Second Skies Forex, I've been teaching traders like yourself how to make money in the markets. Trading Forex really gives you an opportunity to start living life on your terms. You know, most people have a traditional job where somebody else tells you what to wear, they tell you when you work, and they tell you how much you're going to make. When you start trading Forex, you're given an opportunity to work when you want to. You get to wear what you want to, and you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. This is exactly how I've lived my life over the last 19 years. I've lived in 5+ countries. I've traveled to over 40 of them, and it's all due to trading the financial markets. I've created this course for really two groups of people: for absolute beginners who are not familiar with the Forex market and are wanting to kind of learn about it and start their trading journey, all the way up to intermediate traders who have some sort of knowledge, basic knowledge base in place, and are wanting to kind of build a set of skills that can take them to the next level. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you step by step what the Forex market is, how to get a free demo account, how to set up your charts, what all the language is about and terminology, all the way up to teaching you technical analysis, specifically the unique skills of price action context and how you can use that on any Forex pair, any time frame, in any environment. You're also going to be learning risk and money management. This is such an essential cornerstone of trading. It's really understanding the mathematics of how you risk, how you put your money into the market, so that you can understand all the math and probabilities and put those in your favor to make money trading. I'm confident that when you're done with this course, you're going to have a really solid foundation in place. And on top of that, you're going to have kind of a roadmap and set of skills so that you can trade the Forex market on any instrument, any time frame, or any environment. And this will allow you to take the next step in your trading journey, which is building your own trading strategy and trading plan. With that being said, I want to welcome you to the course. Let's go ahead and start the first lesson and jump right in.